ensure that your scissors does not go into the organs. Make it straight after the initial incision so that you do not puncture the intestine. Mid-ventral line, just like we did by removing some of the muscle to open up the viscera of the fish. This is a female, so you will do your own dissection too, and then we'll go on from there. So let's also use the forceps. You are surprised that with this size of fish, there are different species of catfish. And that is why as fisheries biologists, we talk about correct identification of the species, because some catfishes don't grow to large sizes. This is a typical example that you are seeing here. And this will not be good for aquaculture production. That's why taxonomy is taken seriously in fisheries, so that you'll be able to identify the species that have potential for aquaculture. That is, they can grow to large sizes in reasonable time. This is female. Can I have somebody put some light here, please? Backlight, please. I want you to look at this. What stage of gonadal development are we dealing with here? Look at it. What stage of gonadal development is this? The eggs are visible. Vitellogenesis is complete here. You can see the eggs. What stage is this? Look at it very well.
Five.
This is a stage 5 gonad. If you say late stage 4, you are not wrong. Okay? Because we did not try to see whether if we pressed, whether the eggs will be coming out. But why I agree with stage 4 is that, give me that. If it is a running gonad, this place will be reddish. The nose will be reddish. So this is stage 4 gonad. At this stage 4, late stage 4, early stage 5. If you say stage 4, you'll be fine. Stage 5, we may contest that because the eggs don't look like they are running out yet because of this place. It has not gone reddish. So this is stage 4. So if you were to identify this in an exam or maybe an interaction, the first thing you should do is to identify the sex of the fish. Is it male or female? If it's a male, there will be a clasper on the associated with the pelvic fin. But this is a female. This is not reddish, so it tells you that it is not yet up to the stage of reproduction. You can't talk about sperm here because this is a female. The eggs are visible. Vitellogenesis is complete. So it's a female Clarias gariepinus stage 4 gonad. So I want you to do this kind of very neat dissection because, like I said, your work table is very important. It's not only organized, but it's clean when it comes to dissection. You have seen what I've done now. One of these days, I will teach you how to collect blood sample from fish. Yes. You know that as this fish is, we can actually open up go to where the heart is and make a cardiac puncture and collect blood sample. We can do that. So this is, can I have another tilapia? I want to check who can find. So this is the best. Stage 4 is actually the best stage for fecundity estimation. You are going to cut along the mid-ventral line. Along the mid-ventral line to expose the So let's see if we can encounter a female. If not, you will go ahead and We are still dealing with a stage 2 gonad, but this is showing some level of intersex. I want you to look at this gonad. You see that on this side, it seems like it has extruded everything it has, while on this side it's still. That's why we say that some of these fishes are partial spawners. Can you see? Will you say this is a male or a female fish? I want you to look at this place. I want you to look at this place. This fish is actually intersex. Can you see? Here and here, look at here. So that intersex with, let me check. Because that's the string. That's why you have to really, can I have another forceps? Forceps, please. If it was during the breeding season, put light. I want you to look at this very well. Can you see? Can you see? Towards this end, can you see? So this is actually intersex. I'm seeing two pairs of gonads in this fish. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 here and 2 here. This is actually an intersex gonad. So I want you to go ahead now and pick stools and put the fish.
This is a male fish. As you can see, this is the presence of the plasma here to differentiate it from that of the female fish. Claras gariepinus